You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 but you gotta put in work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Grabe guys. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa mga nagluluksa po ako. Pero grabe po ang nangyari sa Bitcoin yung araw. Look at that, di ba? But anyway, good evening. Huwag natin simulan sa napakalungkot na bad news for tonight, no? Simulan natin sa good news, di ba? Para okay. Dapat stay positive tayo lahat. Yan. Okay, guys. Magandang gabi po sa lahat who are watching for tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's 9:09 in my clock, so I'm a bit 5 minutes late on your end. I'm very sorry for that. I did catch you up, but guys. Anyway, yan, magandang gabi po. Again, please share this live so I can give you more updates and more people can actually watch this live for the US stock market, crypto, and even Forex. We can look up later. Sorry for sorry, medyo pasensya ka na sa ano natin kanina. Okay. Tingnan natin, diretso siguro tayo. Kasalanan ni Elon, nagsimula kay Elon, nagtapos din kay Elon, di ba? Okay. Tingnan natin what's happening in the market. Okay, wait lang. Balik ko muna ang aking full mode screen. There you go. Okay, wait lang. I'm gonna check it out. Tanggalin natin yung background and everything. So I can main cam. Yan. Okay. Okay guys, there you go. Magandang gabi po again. Please share this live para mas marami tayong makita. Titingnan natin saan pupunta to. To the moon, to the sun. Honestly, look at my port. It's going to the moon as well. To the floor. Okay. Sobra. Buti na lang yung hawak ko ng mga crypto. More on the free assets. Wala na masyadong capital and everything. More on what I earned from it na before. No? But there you go. But still, it's still a lot of profits supposedly. But still, again, that's according to plan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin later. Okay, so guys, magandang gabi again. Magandang gabi dyan, Glock Knight. Diba? Ang ganda ng pangalan, Glock Knight. Okay, let's start with the, I don't know where to start this, no? But, what's happening? Okay. Honestly, parang meron yatang ano guys. Yeah, yan ang sinasabi ko din kasi na usually, if one would start a sell-off, everything will follow it. It creates a panic, you know? So, magandang topic natin yan tonight for cryptocurrency. So, tingnan natin. And it's pretty much really a bubble, no? So, in terms of really what's happening right now. But, I'm so glad that we experienced this. So, I'm so glad we can actually learn from this. And I'm really glad as well that we can actually look what is happening. Ang dami nangyari last year. Oil, nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng drop, the stock market glass up. I'm really glad we're alive in this generation. We can learn so much as we're young, as right now. And then, mas marami tayong matutunan in this type of market. And that's, dyan papasok guys, yung experience nyo that it's gonna be the best teacher you're gonna have. You know, so there you go. So hopefully, wala sa inyo nag-all in, wala sa inyo lahat-lahat dyan and everything. I think that's a buy signal already. Wait, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, unahan ko na to. Dagdag na ako dito ng 500, 400. Yan. Alright, so there you go. Tingnan natin what's happening right now in our cryptocurrency. It's flashing out like it never did, no? Grabe. Okay, let's put a... Diretso na tayo dito. Parang na-excite ako tong tingnan technically, no? Parang meron din kasi datang issue to with China, no? Ito pala 618, babagsak pa. Sige, okay lang. At least malapit-lapit na compare kanina. Sa MA200, imagine. Grabe yung binagsak na yun. There you go. That's 10% more. Okay lang. Kaya pantiisin. Alright, guys. What's happening? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung iba. Tingnan ko. Gusto ko makita yung iba. Cardano. Let's check at Cardano. Diretso tayo sa crypto. Wow. Di niya na pinuntahan yung gusto kong puntahan. Pero honestly, kung titingnan mo, if you really know technical analysis, kahit pa paano magpe-predict mo no? It's honestly a buy signal for ADA too. Daga ako kay ADA. Yan. Whoops, ano nangyari dito? What's happening? Ba't may bagong ganyan si eToro? Okay. Tingnan ko din sa XRP. Tingnan natin dito. Si XRP din, no? Bounce levels lang. Talagang binounce na ng todo. Sa MA200, to babagsak pa to. Ano ba bang gusto ko tingnan? ADA, Ethereum. Tingnan natin, ha? Catch the falling knife. Pwede naman. Basta may strong support. Emotional selling. Lahat ng tao. 32. Bounce trade. Not so much. Parang Bitcoin lang yung nakugustuhan ko. For now. Yep. But don't hold it too long. 618. Ilang percent sa 618? 7%. Laki naman. Sige, kuha tayong Ethereum. Tapping ako dyan, guys. Panic selling, mga tao. 150. Yan. Okay, order field. Ba't may ganoon na siya ngayon, no? Diretso. First time, di ba? Oh, tingnan natin. Pag kinlose ko yung buong port ko, that's how 10% on my end. Shit. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayoko na mga ganito eh. Wala kasing talagang gamit to. Hype lang tong Dogecoin eh. Okay. Pero grabe, no? Grabe. Sobra. Ang lupit. Okay. Honestly, hindi naman to crypto webinar, be. Stock market. But sige lang. Tingnan natin. Grabe. Wala bang inatake sa inyo? Wala bang ano sa inyo, guys? I hope you're all okay. I hope you're all good. I hope sana hindi ito yung kanta nyo. Grabe talaga. Ay no, grabe to, grabe. Beating like ano, grabe. So, there you go. Tingnan natin. Pero honestly, in terms of volume, sakto lang. Mas malaki pa ngayon dito eh. Tingnan natin ang ano nito. Ang
be an actor up in lights? Do you wanna be a soldier?
Yep, tingnan natin to. Bababa pa to konti. Feeling ko, bababa to pa konti. Re-retest to sa 618.
Do you wanna travel
Major.
the world? Do you wanna be a diver?
Butas na yan, pero feeling ko bababa pa. Pero strong support kasi eh. May strong support dito eh. Oh. So, I think dito. Pero, malaking bag. Feeling ko to, aangat lang to hanggang dito lang. 25%, then it will go down again. With may ganyang panic na selling, talagang, Anyway, tingnan naman natin yung market. So, I hope guys, di kayo masyadong grabe talaga, no? Pero sarap din, no? Okay, yung mga kumita lang ng malaki na hindi nagtitake profit, yun lang yung masakit doon eh. 'Di ba? Yun yung mga haartakin yan eh, no? Pero I'm glad I'm alive. I'm experiencing this. I'm super glad I'm alive na I get to experience everything that I'm seeing right now. I'm really much happy, no? 590. Tamo, ang bilis oh. Kumita na kagad yung kabibili ko lang kanina. Diba? Grabe ka volatile. But I'm loving it. All right. There we go. Tingnan natin guys. Ganito. Paano ba? How do I start this? How do I start this live, no? Hindi ko kasi alam paano kayo ko-comfort. Okay. Sige, simulan siguro natin with this one. Kay Ada na lang. Okay, guys. Ito yan kasi. Alright, if you have like technical analysis, you have a background of Elliott wave or even support and resistance, look at the degree of the trend after the upwards, di ba? And look at the candle pattern there, no? So, kahit long-term investor ka, may mga ganyang angat, nagbabawas ka dapat. I mean, basically that's it eh. Kahit long-term investor, babawas ka. Wala naman kasing masama na long-term investor ka na marami kang posisyon, pero nagbabawas ka, hindi ka martir, hindi ka greedy. So honestly, supposedly, ito talaga yung pwedeng mangyari dyan sa analysis ko. But coming from what happened, look at that. Supposedly, magbabounce pa yan dito. But it did not. Nagkaroon ng panic selling. So what's happening right now? One triggered bad news. Coming from succeeding news. Di natin alam. Maybe possible lumabas pa yan after a few days, after a few weeks, or tomorrow. Kasi in the stock market, always price in first before the news. When the news arrives, very late ka na. Okay? That's why a background in terms of even the basic of the chart is really a necessity if you're gonna trade, no? If you're gonna trade long term, if you're even an investor, no? So, in not just that, guys, no? Not just that. Ang siguro kung gusto kong i-impart na ng mga ganitong klaseng experience is do not put all your eggs in just a one asset basket. So, what minimum kahit binili mo yung 3,000 coins na available, nasa cryptocurrency world ka pa din. Kahit 50% ng port mo, 90% port mo nasa crypto, iba-iba, naka-currency pa rin lahat yan. So, do not put all your eggs in just one basket. No? So always diversify, guys. And at the same time, do not fall in love with the asset class. Kasi you'll never know. You'll never know kahit gaano pa yung kagandang speculative na yan, it will still ruin you or still disappoint you at the end of the day. Because the person who decide to buy this, it's not gonna be you. It's gonna be a cumulative effort of everybody who's want to invest. And if the market mover, no, sell a lot of shares, mag-release ng bad news, it will trigger a panic selling, just what we're experiencing right now. So, yung term na, I know it's a cliche na sinasabi nila na trend is your friend, it's true. No? Your trend is your friend until it breaks, no? Until it breaks. So if it's not going under the uptrend already, why would you go for it, no? So yung mga ganun. And last but not least, cryptocurrency is really a volatile market. And without a lot of knowledge about it, it's still speculative because no one is valuation in, walang nag-govern nito. The one who was actually dictating the price of crypto is you and me. Okay, is you and me. And walang nagpa-price in. Sino nagpa-price in yan? Walang profits, wala lahat. Supply and demand lang talaga. 'Di ba? So, ayan, yung maganda dyan. At least yung binili natin ngayon-ngayon lang, tumalon na ng 27%. $55, diba? Sarap, oh. Kaka-bounce lang natin. Tingnan ko yung Bitcoin na binili ko. At least nabawasan na. From negative 500 tumudo. Ito, grabe to, brothers and sisters. Ayun, negative pa. 127. Ito pa yun. Ano ba doon? A19. Ito to. Oh, ayan. Kumita na ako ng $30 sa kanya. 19. Ito. Yan. Okay, good job. $30 income. All right. So there you go, guys. How can I start this? And siguro, before tayo dyan, hindi naman talaga dapat ngayon pangaral. Doon tayo sa stock market, diretso tayo. Wala tayo magagawa dyan. Move on forward tayo dyan. Ano sabi nito mga? Tingnan natin yung viewers natin. Magandang gabi, Glock Knight, Raymark, kay Ada, Joshua, Freefall Lot, Ian, Alan, Constantino, XLM. O sige, tingnan natin si XLM. Yan din, isang malupit na drop-off. Supposedly may cap in handle pero invalidate pack, wasak. To. Pero at least bumagsak sa support. Kung nakasalo ka doon sa support, di kita income ka 50%. Sarap mag-shopping. Ayun. Well, risk manage, masakit. Nako, masakit talaga yan. Kumuha ako ng pagkain, 38 Bitcoin, biglang angat, 30 pag-akit ko, patay. Nako, masarap yan si Raymark, no? Nakaka-nervous ang crypto. Diyos ko, dapat masaya ka pa kung problema dyan, kung magkakaroon ka pa ng heart attack, no? Imbis na kumita ka, nagkasakit ka pa. Okay. Kahit magdasal ka ng 10 santo, hindi kaya buhatin si crypto. Meron dito, no? Praying for stock. May background music ba ako? May background music ako, guys. Asan na yun? Ayan, Nasdaq po. Ayan, tingnan natin sa Nasdaq. Nagising ako sa Binance, puro alert, liquidation call. Oh my God. Yun yung masakit doon, no? Sa Binance pa naman, depende sa mapipili mong asset class. Diretso USDT. Tapos may iba dyan, naka-leverage diretso, no? Swak. O, di ba? So, mag-ano na ba ako ng mga quotes? Kala nyo ba ng encouragement quotes? Okay. Hodl lang. Ayan ang mga courage ni Sir, 'di ba? Basta nasa risk management, hodl lang. 'Di ba? Oh, 'yun. Teka, kunin ko lang tong profit dito. Ayan to, $34 na din. Sige, okay lang. Magba-bounce pa yan bukas. Uninstall Binance muna. Ayan. O, pag set and forget, diretso. Nag-crash si Binance. Ayan, mahirap. Lahat nagla-login, nag-uunahan. Patay. Tingnan natin yung Timothy sa akin, no? Bumagsak today ng 5%, 6%. Sakit. Kung nag-liquidate ako ngayon, patay. Okay. Let's go to the stock market. Let's move forward. Okay lang yun, guys. Tingnan lang natin. Hodl lang. Okay, the stock market. Bumigay, as mentioned, last, when was that? Last na live natin. I think, kaya ba yun? Monday. So sabi ko, ingat lang kayo because it's still not recovering. It's still not pushing forward. So right now, it's another retest for MA 50. So if it's retest, let it first to be successful. If aggressive ka, then you get aggressively, or you wait for this the sentiment to go here, around here. So crucial yan kasi possible may support na mabuo dito and pababa pa yung market. So what we're gonna do tonight is just to take profit some of our liquidate some of it para to save yung mga profits natin yung iba. And then if bibili kayo basta right sector, okay yun. Aggressively, kung usually $100 binibili mo, then 50 lang muna. Kasi pangit pa yung market eh. Bounce lang. Then aggressively, I think kung dito, ano ba kayo, Wednesday, Friday would be the best possible day for us to go shopping, no, for this one. Yan. PSE, lipat sa US stocks, lipat sa crypto, lahat, sell off. Ayun, kami, may lipat kayo sa Forex. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo yung profit ng kasama namin. Lipat-lipat lang kung saan yung pera. Di ba? Para sa kasama namin. Lupit din no? Teka, tingnan ko yung Forex natin. Diba? Laging buhay ang Forex, guys. Nakikita nyo ba yung Felpon coin din, no? Nakita nyo ba? Hindi, no? Sayang, eh. Papakita ko sana sa inyo yung income, today. Pero anyway, makikita nyo sa my FX ko pala. Ayan. Pero mamaya na yan. Sige, let's go. So, for tonight, wala tayong gagawin. Better na lang for us to really look for stocks for our watch list. Liquidate some of your profits. Kung it's oversold, time to take profit already. Let's go to that, no? So, yun yung gagawin natin. And then, kung ganyan yung tsura ng market, oversold, bumubuo pa ng possible reverse cup handle to, mas ingat tayo, no? Okay, let's go to the tech stocks. Yeah, tech stocks. So, same talaga ng ating, realizations. Guys, kung titignan nyo, this must hold on. Okay, so again, sabi ko nga last time, it's still a retest. Don't buy aggressively. Alright, possible pa yan bumagsak doon. Honestly, yung mga pinagsisihan nga ako, yung Twitter ko, dapat kinulose ko ng opening. Nag 120 na, nakuha ko 50 lang. Pero okay lang, basta may profit. Pero anyway, for US 100, I'm actually rooting for this to end May 27 to May 30 around this area. Kung hindi man, basta nasa major support like MA 200, I'm gonna aggressively buy for tech stocks. Yeah, especially June onwards, it's gonna be good. And not just that, look at this, it's possible a double top. Nakakatakot yung ano na yan. If this will break, possible yung mag-massive sell-off like your crypto. So ingat. Don't just buy blindly. Yan po ang aking ngayon, quote for tonight. Don't buy blindly. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin. Ayun, kahit pa paano, tayo. So, wala rin akong pambili. Okay. Nag-crash si Binance. PSE lipat sa US stocks ako. Yun malupit doon. Forex kayo, guys. Join us. Ito yun. Ito ba yun? Ito yung Forex natin. So, kailan lang to? May 2, May 18. Di ba? Tapos may trades pa yan ngayon. Ito yung trades niya ngayon. Naka-short ako ng USD JPY in 3 multiple positions. Yeah, meron akong times 2, 24. Check ko nga si USD JPY. USD JPY. Yun, ibigay mo na ang MA20 para dire-diretso ang kaligayahan ng mga tao. Yan. Dito natin take profit yan. Oops, malayo pa. Yan. Okay, UF, ito, malupit to. Nag-gap down kahapon. Pero pag mga gap down, guys, if aggressive ka, day trade would be good. But, sasalo ka, don't hold it too long. You know why? Kasi you'll never know until it will establish a base. Okay, kung establish a base, then you try to buy. Until the pattern will be formed, that's good. But sometimes this volume may be just a fake. Possible pa yan, ipapagalawin pa nila, pabababain muna ng konti, then makakakita ka ng base na ayaw na pababain, then that's actually what you can do. But good thing is this will actually failed. You have 34% upside on the current price or in the opening price. But I would suggest for EVFM, let the base establish. Don't be too rush to enter. Dami kong nangyaring ganyan. Buti nga itong Twitter ko, na-close ko nag-trail stop na ako. Nireject yung MA200, so meaning hindi pa talaga buo tong base. It will be for another retest here for Twitter. So doon ako kukuha ulit. So like that, how many times? Twice, then the third time will be good. So dyan tayo papasok. So yung ganyan, pwedeng bounce lang yan, pwedeng fake bounce or whatever. Pero at least, no, if we'll just go here another retest, then saka tayo ulit umentry. Need pa ba? No. You don't need the PC for the XM Forex. Kumbaga parang pakita ko sa inyo Ito yung tinatawag nilang VPS. Ano ibig sabihin ng VPX? Ano yun? Remote connect. Yan. Okay, pag may VPS ka, parang may virtual connection sa loob ng computer. Okay. So yan, so kahit patayin ko yung computer ko, umaandar yung mga robot. Oh, yan, lahat ng robot na umaandar. Oh, yan, itsura niyan. So lahat ng robot na yan umaandar kasi 24/7, 24/5 siya. So computer inside the computer. So kahit patayin ko computer ko, lumalabas siya, but I need to pay it monthly. Kasi I'm paying, parang bumili ako ng computer na 500 pesos a month. Yan, teka lang, baka hindi pwede ito i-close. Okay, yan. Okay. Oh my gulay, na-hit SL ko sa XLM. Kumita na ako ng $60 na naubos pa. Ayan, ayan na. Okay, tingnan natin iba dito. SWSKS, SQ, tsaka sa SQ. Up down SQ, markets open already. Kailangan ko magbawas muna. Yung mga malalaki natin position, alisin ko muna. Pangit yung market eh. Okay pa yan. TGG, KGS. KGC, teka lang ha. Katulad yan, di ba? Kitang-kita na si resistance eh. So pag mga ganyan, bawas na ako. Or take profit. Sell half. This one. Tingin tayo, babawas ako. Tayong profits eh. Gold Barrick. Gold Barrick Orication. Ito, nagre-retrace na siya. So, kailangan mag-hold dito. How many percent is that? 3%. I'm not gonna hold it to that. I'm gonna take profit to this. Aha. CERN. Wait lang, bawas lang ako kaya pocket market eh. Babagsak pa. Oops. Gitna. I think close. This one, close ko to. CERN, I'm gonna close this one. I don't want to ride that the whole thing already. Liquidate, liquidate. M. Liquidate.
Did a full 180. Crazy. Thinking about the way I once did the
Dapat tagal ko na ginawa yun eh. Wait lang ha. MOH, okay na yan. Free asset. Jailed, okay na yan. Mga negative pa natin yung iba. Jibo, that's good. Sky WS. Okay, let's go. Skyworks. I'm still gonna hold on to this one. I have this one, but if you try to notice, SKWS is trying to hold on its MA 200, and because of the because of the dividends din kasi niya, kaya yan bumagsak ng todo. Nag-price in kasama yung dividends, and at the same time, in terms of its technology, lilipad yan mga April 25 and above. So it's a very good position already. 5% to 21% upside is super good. So this one, I have that. Zep Health. Zep Health, I would not suggest to buy this one. Why? It's rejecting your MA20 and nasa resistance ka pa. Okay, so if that will hold or this will reverse, then I think that's the wise decision to buy, but not now. Okay, bear still winning on that on that trend. For Tesla, okay, it's still on the support level, but again, this is dami kasing issue nito eh. First is short ni Michael Burry, no? Tapos binibili ni Cathy Wood. So sino mananalo, no? And then joke lang. So for Tesla, technically medyo nasa delikado moments to. But in terms of support, okay, meron siyang points of support which is this one. But ang gusto kong support ito. This is a stronger one eh. For me, for Tesla, than that one. Kasi you have a lot of here and then a very established. Compare mo dito na isang beses lang. So, but good thing, kung magkaroon ng reversal dyan or continuation pataas, then it's good for Tesla. NVAX. For NVAX, ayan. So, since may established yung support dito, if bumalik, doon ka bumili. For NVAX, ako bumili ako dyan sa support na yan. Then, if this will reverse, saka ka mag-aggressively buy. Kasi it's still trying to consolidate and let it ride. And then, especially for mga news-based or mga news-based assets, it's usually go in that cycle. So, wag kang bibili ng mga gitna or taas, bibili ka lagi sa ilalim for that kind of stock. So, that's a strong support pag bumaba pa ulit. Ito din for this one. Ayan. Nagkaroon ng rising wedge. Trying to establish a support. I think, babalik pa yan dito. Malaking na babalik pa yan dito. And this range, before na umangat. So, abangan mo yan dito. It's not yet, it's time for it to go up. But, kung it trades above here, and it holds here, then that's your opportunity to buy. And if you're also familiar with this event, that's they called dead cross. So meaning wala lang mga long-term investors dyan. So ingat kayo. Okay? Okay ba? Wait, sa ano ko? Yun. FCell. FCell is the same concept. It's still downtrend for me, but good thing about it is it's trying to hold on the support already. Okay, but still don't aggressively buy because the bears are still winning. Wala pang reversal pattern dito. Okay? So, might have another retest if it was trading above this area and it holds, then it's good. It's pretty sure much na pwede ka nang bumili dyan. At least wala na siya sa downtrend na yan. So, don't just aggressively buy. Ingat. Wait for another retest of the support for me. Gold. Gold. Yeah, very good si gold. If you actually watch my report, so kumikita ka kay gold, good job for you. 'Di ba? Good job for you. And full reversal si gold. Yan, technically full reversal. Walang-wala na siya sa downtrend, starting to go on a different pattern na. So congrats if you ride this one and if you're part of the elite club. Naiinom mo na yan. Alam mo bakit? Ito ako sa inyo guys ha. If you're my part of the elite club, share ko na sa inyo. Kasi malapit naman magtapos yung buwan. Saan ko ba yun? Okay, ito na. So this is part of my elite club report. Wherein, kung titignan mo, May 6. The date is May 6 there. Yan, nilike pa nga ni Leo Heart, no? May heart pa. So this is my elite report on my group. So titignan mo, the strength of gold pricing in the month of May. So this is my tinakpan ko para niyo makita. And then it actually price in and peaks around June to September. Bakit? Benefiting from inflationary pressures of the equity market. So ano ibig sabihin nun? And explain ko yan sa elite report. Where is May 5 and May 6? Okay? Ayan, no? May 5. Umangat na si gold from that report to that. How many points? 9,000 points. Did I benefit into that? Yes, I did. So, yes, super I did. Bumili ako Even sa, ano ko, long-term investing portfolio na kailangan ko pala i-login ngayon. Kasi sa XRP doon nasusunog. Buti in-out ko si Ada kanina doon. Copiers. Oh no. So kahit pa paano, at least kahit pababa yung market, I'm actually hedging into gold. So there. So I bought gold here. I bought even GDX. Nagbawas lang ako so far. And it's pretty much doing good because of that report. So ang dami na naging benefit to that. Despite the equity market, hindi nagsasubside yung portfolio ko ng masyadong malakas. So but then again, nag-oversold na si gold. So ingat pa din. So dyan, join the Elite Club, guys. Join the Elite Club. For this one, on a longer perspective, what do you see? Diba? Ascending triangle, possible, no? Ascending triangle for that point, for that point. So if this will resist, mag-aabang ako dito. Aggressively buy ako dyan. Kung magkaroon ng resistance dito. So if that will fill. Or, kung another pattern here is, wala na pattern. Yun na yun. Okay. So tingnan natin kung mag-breakout to. Kung mag-breakout then we're gonna see kung we're gonna buy that one. Yan. For silver. According to Sir Dalir, what's happening to ETH? People are panicking in terms of taking profit. So when one started a very big volume of selling, it will trigger a panic to the others. Inom tayo Coke, guys. Okay. CVS. Okay, for this one, I would suggest take profit na. Okay, take profit na or bawas na ng momentum. Kasi bakit? Meron pa naiwa. Though fill the gap na, okay naman na. Pero take profit na kuha ko dyan. Hindi ko na ito sasabayan. And if momentum trader ka, pag nag-breakout dito, pwede ka bumili. Okay? Tapos na kami sa Bitcoin, Sir Manuel. Patingin natin, what's happening to Bitcoin again? Gusto ko rin makita. Para yung account ko na nangyari. Ayun. So yung mga sumalo kanina kay Bitcoin, congratulations. Yung as I opened this live kanina, pagtingin ko rin, na-shock ako eh. How many points did it tap? 25%. Ano nangyari sa binili ko? Bumili ako $400 doon kay Bitcoin. Good job, Bitcoin. Pwede ko na to i-close. This one. Pwede no? Pwede na. Pangbawas din ng profit yan. Wait lang ha. Tingin tayo resistance dito. Yan, close din ako sa Forex, guys. I'm gonna hold to that. Grabe yung rejection, oh. Hammer candle, oh, with a very, very big, massive volume. So, siguro titingin ako kay Bitcoin dito. So, wag nyo nang bilhin. It's pretty much late na kayo for that bounce. And then, pricing in. Kung aggressive ka, pwede naman if you like. But I do not suggest that as well. Grabe, oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, what else? Sir KO and PFE. KO and PFE. Alright, for KO, I would suggest to take profit if you have. You can actually totally close or partial profit already. It's MA20 is trying to give up already. But good thing is still meron pa ring support na namumuo dito. But ako kasi usually pag mga cyclical stocks like this one, I would take consumer na cyclical, bibili ako sa mga major support with this one. So but good thing nasa support pa siya, not really a good buy. Ngayon, sabi ko nga majority mas better kung nagte-take profit na kayo. PFE, still pretty much good with this one as long as this green bar is holding for PFP. But if it will break, then I will take profit now already or mag-reduce position. This is your short-term trend line here. It's still pretty much intact for PFE pa so far. So there you go. And then we have an earnings report here. Of course, the price in of the vaccine and everything will go there then as well. No? XOM, I still have that. Okay, if this will break, this area will break, I will take cut loss here already. So I have that. I have $100 that I bought it there. Pag nahulog yan, alis na ako. So if it close below there. Okay? So or itong support na to mas lalong bumigay, better. So how much risk will I mga 2% to 3% more. Okay? Kasi it's still forming the handle pa naman so far on a cap and handle basis. Bumubuo pa siya eh. So at least nagpa-pattern siya. If this one will, especially this one, pag bumigay ito, wala na. Pero ako hanggang dito lang ako to participate to that. PLTR, nako sobrang tagal niya na dito, no? January pa yata kayo dito o December. Okay, for PLTR, I would not suggest to buy it, right? Still not a buy for me. Yeah, you if you see my horizontal here, it's still gonna be possible a resistance and retest again this support here. So wala pa siyang talagang base na malakas. So it's still on a downtrend mode. So I would not buy that one despite of that bounce rate. So possible for me bounce pa kasi yan. So if this is another story if mag-trade siya above this area. Okay, why? Because of that reversal pattern. Reversal trend. So wala pa tayo. Ano pa tayo dyan? Trail pa.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't stop caring about me now.
Ay, nahulog ng todo.
Don't stop now. I'm not where you left me at all.
Okay. Reta. Sino si Reta? Teka, tingnan ko muna yung port ko, guys. Kailangan ko muna magbawas din dito. Kailangan ko mag-liquidate. Yung mga pangit ko, or magbabawas ako, TDG. Mga pangit na kailangan tanggalin. Ito, bigay na. Pero may strong support pa dito. Possible pa tong... Sige, I'm gonna hold on to you. Grabe yung DE, bumagsak. Sabi ko na, babagsak to eh. Support pa talaga nahulog, no? Ay, nayayayayay. Dapat tinake profit ka na dun eh, mali. Minsan. Bawas tayo dito.
If you wanna believe that anything could stop me. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring.
59% pa ako, so okay pa. Ano tingin ko kay Doggy, Papa Doggy? Yan lang. Feeling ko to magbabounce pa to eh for the first hour. Zoom, Anillo, isa-isa lang. Yan. Si Zoom is still trading on a downtrend. Okay, so if for me for Zoom, mas better kay Zoom kasi oversold pa to si Zoom honestly guys eh. Yung fair value nito nasa 234. So expensive pa siya sa current status niya and still trading on a downtrend. If mag-trade to above this area, which is good, okay lang. But if mag-consolidate si Zoom dito, then another buy. First pa lang niya nagbumuo ng base, so it's not a pretty good to buy Zoom at the current status niya. So wala pa din si Zoom. Si Apple, wala na. Wasak na yung trend ni Apple. Oh. So, bababa na talaga siya. Maghahanap yan ng support around this area. That area, which is we can actually wait. So, mga MA 200 yan. Mga pababa yung pang 3% si Apple. So, basag na yung trend line eh. So, wala na for Apple. Yeah. FB... Facebook, wasak na rin yung trend line, failed retest. This one, failed retest. You might see Facebook retest around this area again. So, doon tayo mag-abang. Or yung MA50 na yan. So, wala kayong gagawin. Sabi nga lahat ngayon, wala tayong gagawin eh. Talagang check lang. Dogecoin again. Sabi si Dogecoin. Ano ba? Dogecoin, Bitcoin. Gusto ko USD. Yan. Di pa ba late kay Reta? Let's check at Reta later. Dogecoin, resistance. Possible bumagsak pa yan, ma. Nagtitrade lang siya. Nagba-bounce trade lang. Mas maganda pa itsura ni Bitcoin kesa dyan. Reta. Ano ba? Liquidity guys, I would not suggest to trade this one. Yeah, I'm trading MA50, Kage, Rase. Liquidity wise, ako sa totoo lang, kung ako dyan, hintayin mo mag-retrace ulit dyan. So, mag-set order ka na dito. Okay, pangit kasi yung pangit yung market. So, in terms of liquidity, tingnan mo. Talagang gap up. So, delix yung mga ganyan. So, wag nang habulin yung mga ganyan. At the same time, downtrend pa siya. This one. Ayan o. Okay, mas malapit ka sa resistance kesa sa support. So, hintay mo dyan, set order ka or set order ka. Wala kang gagawin talaga. Downtrend pa eh. Ayan o. Wala. Nakapangit sentiment ngayon. Wag niyong pilitin pag walang setup. Walang setup, walang trade. Wag niyong pilitin, guys. Out ko muna to. Kuha ulit ako. Sky to a working mother bird. Goodbye. Sometimes to bye to. Ayoko muna mag-gold ng Bitcoin, guys. Mga binili ko, alis ko muna. Sa malupit na bounce lang. Kesa maipit, di ba? Pabayaan mo muna sila mag-ride on. Ano ba isa ko? Bumili ba ako XRP? 19, wala yun. 19? 12, 19 pa pala yan. Wala na, yun lang. Check natin, port. Gusto ko mag-end ng 100% this year. So I have 61% as of this moment. Ang taas lang. Mag-ipon lang. Nokia. Ito si Nokia. Okay na to si Nokia. Malapit-lapit na to. Oops. Parang may buy signal dito For Nokia. Zoom in nga natin, guys. Okay, Darbas box natin. Darbas box. Darbas box is here. If we trade above there, then good. Kunin natin itong lowest point. Yan. Para clear. Yan. Yan natin resistance dito. Yan ang support here. Okay si Nokia. Pero hintayin ko na ito magkaroon ng transition. Isang green candle pa. Confirmation. Pwede na to si Nokia. Not right now. Ito magandang question to Magandang question to kay Zer Jasper. Ayan. Stop muna tayo. Shopping na ba sa crypto or magdidip ba? Guys, what's happening right now is really a lot of volatility, a lot of uncertainty. So kung marunong ka mag-bounce trade, you may do so but not to really aggressively buy. Kasi bakit nga? Nagda-drop lahat So kung walang base na establish yan, ito Ito lang. Ano ba maganda natin example? Balik natin kay ADA or XRP na lang, XRP. I want you guys to know this, Okay. Okay. Tingnan guys, Ayan. Kung walang base na nangyayari dyan, guys, katulad niyan. Okay? Katulad ito, nag-drop yan, di ba? Pero may magandang base siya sa ilalim. Possible, pwede sumalo, plus nag-follow up ng ganito. So, pwede ka talagang bumili sa breakout. Pero yung mga ganyan, first stage pa lang ng bagsak, I would not really suggest na sasabayan nyo. Okay? You'll never know kasi napapadip pa siya So, kung marunong ka mag-bounce, if really that's your call as a bounce trader, pwede mo talaga siyang sabayan using Fibonacci or other means of what you're seeing, RSI, MACD, whatever. Okay, if that's still a bounce trade, then you can do bounce trade but not hold it too long. Kasi uncertain pa yung mga tao, no? Uncertain pa eh. Balik natin yung Bitcoin. I had a very good position with Bitcoin but kahit may sa 1 hour, meron siyang hold candle, yung like very long wick. Hindi ko i-hold eh kasi uncertain pa yung mga psychological na mga nagbenta dyan. If people wanted to get out and then you wanted to get in, 'di ba? Medyo may disalign, 'di ba? Sa nangyayari sa market, no? May disalign. Kung kahit na ganyan yung may rejection dito, you'll never know, you'll never know pa din kasi people wanted to get out very fast, no? Within an hour tuloy-tuloy. Then you wanted to get in, 'di ba? Walang base. O baga walang base na namumuo. But actually with Bitcoin, maganda naman yung itong support niya. Again, wala pa siyang base para magsabi na malakas tong support na to. So for me, possible bumalik pa yan dyan for 29,000. Personal opinion ko, babalik yan dyan. Personal opinion ko. Or, kung magkaroon ng follow-up dyan, it can do like this. Okay, it can follow this trend. These three channels here. Okay, then, angat dito, parang possible maging ganito yan ha. Scenarios. Angat dyan, tatagusan dyan, babalak dito, then alas dyan. That's one scenario. Another scenario is, okay, babagsak dito, magko-consolidate, gagawa ng base. Another scenario is, babagsak dyan, babagsak dito. Tapos gagawin niya to. So hanggang hindi namumuo tong pattern na to, yung mga yan, wala ka muna talagang action but just to wait. Kasi psychological, people wanted to get out. So dahil fan na fan ka ni Bitcoin, no, fan na fan ka ni Bitcoin because this is the revolution or like new currency in the future, it's not yet the reality. And then what you see in the chart, follow it. People wanted to get out. Diba? Hindi pa tapos. It still have 10 hours left on the time. Anything can happen within 10 hours. So, kumbaga, half pa lang siya ng trading niya. So, but if it will stay like that, or it will stay, ganito yung mag-itsura niya, on the last hour, then you can get in. Kasi people wanted to buy on this area kasi mura. Pero wala pa 10 hours pa lang. It's trading pa siya. So, what you can learn from there is you can read the pattern of the candlesticks, the pattern of what's happening, and the psychological warfare, like psychological reasoning, no? Ano yung mangyayari dyan. So, here's actually a quote there, guys, you know? Ayan. Ito yung quote dyan, no? Okay, trade what you see. Okay, invest what you see. Not what you know. Ayan. Diba? Diba? So, yeah, I think that's something that you can learn from tonight. Everyone, even me, I always get reminded to that. Invest and trade what I see and not what I know. I think one lesson there is like this. I've been following Nasdaq since the pandemic last time. Sorry, ang gulo na ng drawing kasi progressive. Okay. So after this drop, di ba, umangat siya. Takot akong pumasok despite na makita kong signs of reversal na despite of dami ng signs of buy points. So I'm keep on shorting that time. No, in my thinking, what I'm thinking is may COVID pa to begin with. Second, no, walang trabaho yung mga tao. Third, 'di ba? Paano lalabas yung mga tao and everything, yung mga ganun nasa isip ko. But the market is still pushing up forward. And then hindi ako naka-get in for my long-term plans, no? Kahit na may signs of reversal, signs of bounce, breakout from this area, I know those stuff in terms of technicals, 'di ba? We know those stuff, no? So, coming from pre-COVID, umangat na, tapos nag-support pa yung MA100. So, really a lot of signs in my end na possible talaga siyang to go that full extent. But because of this quote, because of this quote, I learned it the hard way. No? So, ano yun? So, sorry, wala na ako. Ano? So, trade what you see and invest what you see, not what you know. So, then you follow your own plan. You create your own plan. I hope that helps. Let's go back to the charts. Okay. Ayan. XOM. Check ko si XOM. Okay pa ako si XOM pala. Yan. Very good. No problem, Sir Jasper. Anytime. Yan. Hopefully, nakatulong ba yun, guys? Nakatulong ba sa atin doon? Alright. JNJ. Baka magbasa no, JNJ. Liquidate muna ako siguro. Pangit ng market eh. Okay pa naman to, momento. mRNA. Okay, for mRNA, wait for it again to retest this area. It might go again this area. Mag-retest ulit yan dito. Yan, that area. Diyan mo siya abangan. Follow that waves. No, follow that waves. Pag nagkaroon ng oversold condition, saka mo siya pasukin. Kasi nga, usually for mga vaccine-related stuff or mga pharma, especially mga ganito, it usually goes by its news. So buy them when it's there are fear, no? So not right now pa, or makakita ka ng full sign of reversal for this area. Okay, Moderna. Okay na tayo dyan. GBP, Odd, Nova, Net. Sige, let's go to Net. Ilan tayong Coke? For Net, it's looking for a lower condition na price. Might be another retest this area. Doon mo siya abangan. So because why? Nagkaroon ng rejection to this area, no? Rejection, then babalik ulit dito. So don't do anything and wait for it here. Okay? NEM. Lakas ni NEM, guys. Oy, tinamaan yung TP ko kay NEM. Lakas. TP na ako dyan. Out muna ako sa kabila. MA5 siguro. Ate, pabayaan ko muna. For NEM, I'm gonna teach you one thing, no? So, gusto nyo ba ng isang lesson na additional lesson, guys, para hindi kayo masyadong mag-greedy? Gusto nyo lesson? Masabi naman ako ng gusto ko. Yan, gusto ko. Yan, tayo natin. Katulad nito, yan, si Nem. Tayo natin yung mga gusto ko na gustong-gusto. Yung mga gusto, yun lang tuturuan ko. Yung iba, refresh nyo lang or lipat kayo sa ibang channel. Ayan, gusto daw ni Miss Marie. O, di ba? Okay. Gonna teach you one, no? Let's go to here. Let's have this an example. Okay. First of all, you need to change your mindset to not a greedy person, but a sigurista. Okay? Sigurista. Psychological wise, why is it yung trend pa 90 degrees, 'di ba? Compare a healthy trend, which is what's happening with them, like this one. So meaning si Nem may certain event na mangyayari sa kanya, no? So ano yung mga certain events na mangyayari sa kanya? Una, possible meron siyang dividends coming on May 19, which is 21 pala, 19, no? Which is today. Okay, today i-release yung dividend. So possible yung mga bumili dyan magpa-price in after the X date, babagsakin bukas. Possible kasi mag-price in yung dividends. Or this one, May period ending June. Sa June 2021, possible may magandang earnings. So nag-i-invest sila ngayon pa lang. Kasi si Newmont Corporation is a non-mineral precious metals provider for constructions. 'Di ba? So, now, so hindi sila mamimili on the day na ilalabas yung news. Mamimili sila before the news. So, kasi hindi ka alam, may mga insider buyers, 'di ba? So ngayon, para hindi ka masyadong greedy, like example, nakabili ka dito. Nakabili ka dito. Dito, to. Yan, nasa elite report ko to eh. Diba? Nasa elite report ko to. Pakita ko sa elite report para merong ano. Nasa may elite report. Yan. Okay. Pwede natin ebidensya na nasa report ko yan. At bumili din ako dyan. Para ano kayo sa elite group natin. Yan. On natin yan ha. Yan. April pa to. April no? O May. April report ko yata to eh. Or May. Okay. Tingnan natin ha. Bago ko ituro yung gusto kong pasabog. Di ba? Okay. May, NEM. Hanapin ko si NEM ha. April report. Okay. If you were part of the my elite group, sa elite group ko guys, you would know what sectors to look at, what saan si NEM dito? NEM, where are you, NEM? This one. There, wait lang hanapin ko. Yep. Basta nasa elite, parang dito tumagal, nasa elite report ko yan. Kasi bumili ako niyan dito. Sa aking long-term investing portfolio. This one. Ayan. So, 13% siya. So, ayan. So, yung aking, meron ako dito. NEM. Wala dito si NEM, no? Sa May. Sa May report ko ba to guys? Ayan. Okay. This one. Sa May report ko ba to siya na report? Niisip ko sa ayun, to. Okay. Sa May report ko pala siya na report. Okay, first of all, sa May na report ko, sinabi ko dyan na this month will be a mining season. And then for ETF of those companies who are part of the mining season is NEM. No, si NEM. So what we did, May 6 bumili tayo dyan. May 6 bumili ako kay NEM for my one-time investment. So paano ko siya, the question is, paano ko hindi magiging martyr sa kanya at magte-take profit ako sa kanya? Una, dalawang bagay. First is, magte-take profit ako if gusto ko na. Pero kung gusto ko pa siyang umangat, ayoko mag-greedy, what I need to do, what will I do, no? Para di-create dyan. May tinatawag silang na short-term momentum indicator. Okay, short-term momentum indicator. Usually, yung mga yan, lagging indicator, possible. So, para sa inyo, ginagawa dyan, guys, si NEM, i-on nyo yung EMA 5. Okay? Exponential Moving Average 5. So, ang mini-measure nito, 5 days average na within the week. So, ang ginagawa ko, guys, para pag wala na siyang momentum, katulad kay NEM, if it will close below the candle, just like this one, I will sell. Okay? Lalo na if nakakuha ko sa bottom. Tapos, nakakakita ako ng 90 degrees pataas. Usually kasi dapat ganyan lang takbo. Okay lang yan. I will sell all, okay, if it will close below EMA 5. So, since laging indicator siya, late na siya nagsisignal, possible kasi mag-support pa yung katulad nangyari dyan, no? Nagsusupport pa dahil kasi nagkikreate ng momentum. Kita nyo? Ayan, no? Nagkikreate ng support. Ayan, no? Kasi, nagmo-momentum si NEM, eh. Kasi meron ngang possible na reason. And at the same time, another thing that you can actually, syempre sa masterclass ka na yung matuturo. Pero hindi ko natuturo yun. Ito na lang. Para hindi ka maging greedy, tapos nakakita ka ng pataas or to the moon, na tinatawag nila, yung mga ganyan, umangat, i-on mo na yung EMA 5. Okay? Pag bumagsak yung EMA 5, pwede ka magbawas ng kalahati. Pag bumagsak yung EMA 10, okay, EMA 10 yung next, saka mo i-full close. So, yun yung mga possible nyo para makontrol nyo, meron kayong sistema. No? Example, unang sell mo pag bumagsak to. Diyan. So, ilang percent yan ang risk mo. Pag nag-grow dyan, at least 3% lang. Sell half ka. Pag bumagsak ulit yung dyan, di 5% lang na lose mo. Sorry, 5% lang. So, at kung meron ka na nito. Lalong-lalo na pag nakakita ka ng stock na 75 and above degrees level. Kasi yung na bumibili dyan, mga momentum traders, mga momentum FOMO. Okay? So, para makita mo din yung momentum, on mo lang yung EMA5. Okay ba tayo doon? Nakatulong ba yon? Para hindi kayo masyadong martir. Long term ako. Kahit na babagsak na yan. Yan. No, di ba? Yan. Paano ba mechanics ng elite group? Mag-join bago daw po mechanics. Hoy, since sinanong mo na yan, sasabihin ko na. Ayan. Okay, before kasi guys, yung mag-join ka ng elite group, if you have an account under our team, to eToro, no? So ngayon, we changed the mechanics already. You can join the elite group, depend kung anong ipopromote namin. Paano yun yung EMA5? Hoy, again ha, una, criteria, wala kang direction. Kung wala kayong first is if the trend is 75 to 90 degrees. Yan. Okay, sell if EMA5 will break down. Yan. Oh. Yan lang ha. Wala akong tinurong mag-buy ha, tinurong ko lang paano magbenta. Paano yun? Punta ka doon sa indicators. Lagay mo EMA. Moving average exponential. Palabas yan dyan. Paglabas dyan, iset mo yung 5. Ganon. Set mo lang yung number. Paano ba? Wait lang. Ito. Bila. Ayan. Ito. Ayan, ito. Lakas ng VIX, oh. Wasak yung index, shit. Nasa gold sila lahat. Ouch! Ouch! Ayun na, naglag na eh. So, basta yun lang yun. Lagay mo nito, indicators, EMA5. Change the value from 9 to 5. Okay. Teka lang, take profit tayo. Check ko lang ang aking FOrex. Baka na-agree din na rin to ng todo. Alright. Ang saya-saya ng mundo. Nag-open ka lagi ng buy. Lakas ng grabe naman, no? Naghulugan yung market. Okay. Nasaan na tayo? Nawala na ako. Alright, there you go. So, tingnan natin dito. Netflix. Okay pa yan si Netflix, Twitter. $100. Nangyari kay Twitter. Tilray. Gilead. RDS. Uy, nangyari kay Oil. Nagbagsakan pala. RDST. Paano i-on yung me? Ito, gain na ako dito eh. Nagmumula ulog Yung mga crypto ba, patay tayo dyan. Buhay pa. Buhay pa yung 35. Okay! Ano ba gagawin natin next? Nawala na ako Okay. Ano ba gagawin natin? Balikan natin yung iba dito. Nagsistabilize Tesla, Salonacci. Tingnan natin Tesla. Pass muna ako. Teka lang, Tesla, di ko pa alam eh. Mas gusto ko dito sa sumalo dito, mas malakas na base. Kesa dyan. Liquidate, nga. Wala. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alam ko na saan ako. Yung gusto mag-join sa elite group. Sige, natin sa elite group. Hindi mo pa sinasabi sa yun. Thank you, Sir King. Pero nasak kasi ako sa port eh. Teka ha. Wait, nasa na yun? Nasabihin ko na. Alright. Wait ha. Ito. Yan. Download ko na. Okay, para sabihin ko, share nyo muna tong live na to. Share nyo sa iba. Para naman may manood. Mas marami tayong damayan dito sa mga problema natin sa Bitcoin, di ba? Ayan, share ko na. Nasaan ba yun? Dito, yan, yan. Okay, ito. Alright, pakita ko na naman sa inyo elite group, guys. Pwede na. Basta ano ka lang. Tagal mong sumali sa elite group eh. Okay. Pakita ko lang elite group para lakitaan nila. No? Para meron sila idea. Ano ba sabihin tong elite group na to? Okay. First of all, kaya nawala ako dahil sa crypto, guys. Kainis. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Ito, layuan natin. Okay, tingnan natin ha. Ito. In the elite group, guys, ito yung team song niyan. Okay, bala na si Facebook, tatanggalin niya. Patutugin natin tong team nung. Yan. Una makita mo sa elite group, okay, may statistical analysis ka coming from me. Alright, ano yung statistical analysis? Pinapakita na sa'yo kailan mo siya bibilin at kailan mo siya ibebenta at anong average return mo in the past 18 years. Tapos may sarili akong rating dyan. May rating dyan kung very good ba siya, excellent or good. Then, lalagyan natin ng technicals. And then, if you're part of the masterclass, may kita mo to. So, itong CME group, ano siya? Okay? So, kailan ko sinabi to? May 10. Tingnan natin tapos, binibigyan natin ng analysis. Pag May ba, malakas siya. Kailan siya pinakamaganda? Anong analysis niyan? In the past, how many years? Okay? So, tingnan natin to. Unahin natin to. May 10, si CME. Siyempre, red CME ngayon kasi sell-off. Okay. Pero from May 10, which is this one, yan, no? Kita nyo, May 10, when I reported it went as high as 7% already. Siyempre, nag-pullback yan. Siyempre, nag-tipping na dito, dapat, di ba? So, yan yung itsura dyan, nakita mo doon. So, sabi ko dyan, 9%. Hindi pa siya tumama sa 9%, pero nag-7% na, near that resistance. So, may technical analysis ka na, meron ka pang statistical analysis, meron ka pang company research. Yan, this one. Ano pa? Meron tayong maraming watchlist dito. Meron tayong mga games. Mga games dito. Example lang game natin this month is best lesson of the week. If you actually tell the story of your best lesson, nagkaroon ka, you will be compensated. So, ang price natin dito, usually 500 to 1,000 pesos for the winners, no? And then at the same time, meron din tayong mga awards. Okay, and aside from that, meron tayong mga elite report. Ito yung sinasabi kong elite report na about the economy, about the stock market, ano yung kailangan mong tingnan, ano yung kailangan mong balikan, yung mga ganon. So every month, we're reporting that to you for free. So ngayon, since before, eToro account yung inaano, ngayon hindi na namin eToro account. Ang gagawin nyo lang ngayon, guys, we have a promo. Okay, ano yung promo natin for this month, for this time, is this one. Ano yun, ha? Nawala na naman. Ba yun? Nawala na naman. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, guys, dyan is, kasi ngayon, ang pangit ng market, Ang pangit ng market, then, pinipilit mo, no? Ang gusto namin kayo, guys, is to educate you, guys, in other markets like Forex. Okay? In Forex, example, this is my account, no? This is my account. Refresh natin. Tatlo yung account ko sa Forex. Meron akong isang trend follower. Ayan. Trend follower. Meron ako isang low risk. I put like $400, so it earned already $76. And it still had an open position with this one, no? So there. Ang isa din meron ako dito is ito, yung high risk account ko. Inopen ko yan this month. Hindi pala ito, iba ito isa. Ito ba yun? Not this one. Trend follower, ito. Ito isa. Yan. So, nag-open ako this month, high risk. So it's earning right now with this much, okay? For 20,000 from May 2 to May 18, kahit papaano. So at least you're actually going to be with the using robot trading, and at the same time yes, may copy trading sa Forex din, pero wala sa broker natin. Depende pa eh. I think pwede yata sa iba. So, you want to experience the Elite Report, okay, for free, okay, by only creating an XM account and fund it at least $100. Then, tuturuan namin kayo doon how to trade. Then, you're gonna be free for the June, July na Elite. So, at least may stocks ka, nag-aaral ka sa Forex in the Elite Group. Ma-experience mo yung Elite Group benefits for free by making ang XM account under the link on this post. So, fund mo lang yan. $100 lang yung requirement para lang maka-open kayo. Then, you'll be invited in the Elite Group. So, yun. So, di ba? Walang So, napakadali lang, guys. Yun lang magiging part doon. Then, you can experience the Elite Group benefits already. Especially if you need premium information. So, in summary lang, before tayo bumalik dyan sa stock market, okay, na to. Yan. Saan na yun? You can actually enjoy all these benefits on your screen, which is coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, asan na yun? Nawala na yung akin ano. Yan. Ito. There you go. Yan. So there. So in your screen yan yung Elite Group natin, guys. So there you go. We have a lot of activities upcoming for you. You're gonna be part of Elite Group. Now, if part ka na ng XM team natin, okay, join ka na ng Elite Group. Kahit part ka na ng robot trading natin, mag-request ka na for the Elite Group. Nasa group chat ka, mag-request ka na. You're actually invited already June, July. So yan, so makakakita ka na ng Elite Group natin. Trade calls, 90% win rate. Ako na rin magbibigay ng stock sa'yo. Anong bibilin mo? Pag na-trigger yon, you have 90% win rate. Okay? May talo pa din pero 10% lang. The rest, panalo, no? So yun yung maganda doon. So, but still, ikaw pa rin pipindot nun kung ba follow mo. Ikaw nag-decide nun. Pag talo, huwag mo ko sisihin, ha? Okay. Okay, balik tayo. So again, see you in the club, in the Elite Club. Yan. Grabe, namabot na ng 10,000 yung kahapon. Bumalik na naman. Hi. Okay, so your XM account, isa din yun sa platform, the EA Robot. Yes. It's a big yes answer. Okay, there you go. Alright. Tingin tayo ngayon sa... Yes, basta may XM account ka na funded. 5,000 lang yun ha, pa $100. Okay, tingnan natin si USD JPY muna kaya para mag-TP na ako dito. May support na dito, out na. O yung mga may robot dyan, out muna tayo kay USD JPY. Bili na lang, mag-open na tayo sell position sa... Open na lang sell position ulit sa tama dyan sa retest, okay? Para di tayo martir. Okay na ako dyan, isa lang. Okay, isa na lang naiwan sa akin. Yay! Oh, I earn, how much today I earn with the robot? 4,000 pesos. 4,000 pesos. Send ko sa group chat. Send ko para makita nyo. There we go. Para makita niyo yung earn ko today. Saan yun? Yun. Yan. Yay, thank you, robot. Okay. Yes. Okay, there you go. Tingnan natin ang ating dito. Yan. Sir, if mag-open ng Lyric Software, mag-fund, mag-enroll na din sa trade. Pwede. Pero syempre, iba yung enrollment. Kasi yung sa masterclass natin, iba yun. Honestly, pwede pang umabol sa masterclass pala, guys. Sorry. I also forgot to mention that first week pa lang kami, pero the class will close this Saturday because nasa week 2 na kami. So the next part will be the next batch will be July na. Yan. Okay, okay, okay. Papakita ko sa'yo yung mga earnings namin sa group. Yan. At this is mine. Today lang to, guys. O, yan. Kinita ko today sa robot. $85. May talo, di ba? Meron isa, oh. Kinatlos ko manual. Yan. Kano kapital ko sa robot? Ito. Ayan. $500. May isa dalawa. Yung low risk account, not really low risk, but low capital account. I started with $400. So, meron na siyang earnings na 76. Yeah, so ito yung statistics niya. 94% win rate, 60% win rate. Tapos, I have a high-risk account, which is parang sa eToro, sabihin na natin, sa eToro, para siyang naka-times 10 lahat ng positions, no? So, how much did I earn already? For 20,000 from May 2 to May 18. Past performance is not indicative for future result. Okay? So, kung titignan mo, longs won, 93%, shorts won, 63%. Very consistent, even my high risk. So, di ba? 94 isa 66, 63. So, yan, very consistent. So, this is the account May 2, May 18. Past performance is not indicative of future result. Only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Okay? Ayan, Patrick, looking forward for you. Pwede, yung 500, pwede mo rin yung gamitin pang trade. Manually. Diba? Oh, so, wag na masyado tipi-tipi na sa robot may support na namumo dyan, oh. Oh, yan. Tapos, emotional selling. Magbabounce na yan. Enroll. Thank you. Yan, Sir Jean. Okay. Euro USD. Euro USD is honestly still consolidating. Hindi alam saan pupunta after the breakout. Si robot naka-sell position. May nakikita siyang oversold position sa kanya. Oh, ayan. Si robot naka-sell position dito. So there, yeah, so oversold position. Meron ako ditong position pa. Di na. Kung meron ka ng $500 mo, yun na yun. Kung yun na yun, pang elite club mo na yun. Yung minimum lang yung 100 para makapasok ka na elite club. Pero libre na yun, guys. Okay? Teng. Okay, what else? Yan. Alright, there you go. Ano pa ba mga stock? Pangit yan, no? Tingnan natin. Alalaga muna tayo tonight. Okay, sige. It's 10:30. Okay, gusto nyo pa ng pangit ng market, guys, oh. CRM lang ang buhay. Grabe, oh. Oh my gulay. Tingnan natin dito isa, iba. Full world. Grabe to, Alay ko po. Oh my, talagang pulang-pula, no? No? Grabe to, sir. Consumer lang, tsaka software, CRM lang yung buhay. Lahat, pati, nag-correct. Pati energy, nag-correct din, no? Tingnan natin ng groups. Gaano kabagsak. Nag-correction yung energy, market. Okay lang yan. Pati nga yung ETF ko, nahulog din. Jill and everything. Grabe to. Yes, PM the page. See you in the club. Ay, nako. Magne-negative na naman ako. 2%. Hirap pa naman paangat ngayon. 1.79 na. Nagre-recover na nga ako eh. Si Jay, tingnan natin si Jay daw. Jay, okay po. Safe pa ako. 1.79. VXX. Sige, VXX tayo. Tingnan si VXX. Honestly, pag gusto mong bumili ng VXX, tingnan mo na lang to eh. Yan, no? Nag-start na mag-bounce sa 1 hour yung XPX. Pero babagsak ba to? Feeling ko. If we'll close above MA50, better. Pero if not, see you here. Kaya liquidate guys, liquidate, promise. Kasi si VIX nag-approach lang naman yan sa ano eh. Kabaliktaran lang naman yan. Ako, buhay na buhay si VIX, oh. MA 200 above, oh. Delikado to guys. Oh, MA 200 na siya, oh. Buhay na, oh. Gap up pa. Delex. Yung abulin one lesson din, pag mag-hedge kayo ng mga VIX, always get them on the support levels. Do not get them in the middle. Kasi, mas mababa yung probability mo, 26% ka lang ang chance mong umangat kaysa bumagsak. So, kung kukuha ka ng mga VIX o mga hedge funds, okay, probability-wise, ilalim ang kuha mo. Itong ilalim na yan, mga support levels nila. Alright? For VIX. Kasi VIX parang correction lang kasi to. Okay, probability nito, 26%. Ang bumili kay XPX 500 like VTI, this one, mas mataas yung percentage mo pataas. Okay? Kung mag-hedge kayo. One lesson. Okay, so yeah. 10:30. Wala, since hindi ako mamimili. Bala kayo kung mamimili ko. Pero, may gusto lang ako itanong. Since nangyari naman na tong crypto, pwede natin pag-usapan. Kasi may webinar ako about crypto. And I want you to all to catch that out. No? We want to educate as well in crypto. Even I'm not really an expert. I invited the expert for that. But my goal for this webinar is to really teach about risk management, yes, and investing with caution. What I want to share is this one, no? Yan. I actually sent this to the group, to our group here sa atin, no? Saan yun, Kamali pa tuloy ako ng GC1, yan. Okay, ito yung gusto kong tanungin eh. I want you guys to participate in this one. I actually I'm starting to research kasi sa end of May yung webinar natin. Ayan. Okay, this one. Ito na. Asan na yun? Tagal mo naman. Ayan. Okay. Diba sabi nila, crypto, electric vehicles, whatever that is innovation, diba? Technology innovation. Question, if you were to live, ito yung question ko Ito yung question ko para malupit ka. Yan. Wala. Yan. Ito, question ko. Ano yun? Bago ko ilabas. Kailan ba to? Ito. Yan. Malupit na tanong to, guys. Yan. If nasa 1990 hundreds ka, tapos the car revolution innovation, the car innovation will be discussed with you. How much will you invest? Okay. Yan, diba? Sample, na-discover yung cars or even airplanes. Yan, airplanes. Nung 1900s, how much will you invest? Diba? Example, meron kang 1 million. Nakakita ka ng yan. Tapos, yung hindi pa na-discover yung car na yon, tsaka yung mga airplanes. Example lang, may pera ka ngayon, how much will you invest? Lagay ka natin yung tanong na yan. Ayan, lagay ko sa banner yung tanong para mas malupit na discussion to, guys. Mag-aaral na lang tayo, bakit ng market eh. Ayan. Copy paste. Ayan. Sagutin nyo hindi na ako pahiyain Ayan. 10%, future is uncertain, di ba? Sige, thank you Joren for answering. Di ba? Di ba? Sige. Yan, okay. Yan ang tanong ko, guys. Yan. Yon. Lumabas sa screen. Wala kaming makita. Ay, sorry. Ayan na. Ay pala. Kulit kasi nung ano no? Ayan. Yan. If extra 1M, 1M na, di ba? Test buy, di ba? Pero how much percentage? Like maganda si Joren, no? Sabi niya 10% lang. Pero test buy siya, di ba? Ayan. Ayan yung tanong, if extra yung 1M, 1M, i-all in mo, Kyle? That's the question. All in mo ba? Because this is one part of my webinar. Napapakita kong slide sa inyo. 1:4. So kung meron kang 4 na invest, lagay mo isa. 50% lalagay mo isa. Same concept. Crypto ngayon, di ba? Are you gonna do the same thing? Di ba? Okay. Sige, let's give the stats. Okay. The auto industry was discovered 1990. Okay? So it was mentioned here, the one who did the study, okay? After 10 years, nagkaroon ng 1900, ang daming pumasok na kapital. Nagkaroon ng 2,000 US car manufacturers. Depends on the financial projection. What if nagkakaroon ng ganitong euphoria ngayon, nag-i-invest? Like this one. Ikaw, may 2,000 companies nag-open ng kotse. Iba-ibang klaseng kotse. Hindi ka kaya ma-hype? Sasabihin mo, depends on financial projection. Yung time na yun, 2,000 companies plus na nagma-manufacture ng ano. Before, kabayo-kabayo. Imagine mo situation, like, let's be logical and be honest with this discussion. Yung time ng 1900, nakikita mo sa mga commercial, kung may TV na nung panahon na yon, panay kotse. Kasi nga, this revolutionary di ba? Revolutionary. Then, sa commercial mo, panay auto. This is the future. Then, it's really the future, di ba? Then, yes, this na ito na. Tapos, yan. Pasok na yung pera ngayon. Then, kung titignan mo, 1929, what happened? From 2000, what happened? After 10 years, it went down to 96 US car manufacturers. Then, fast forward, 1976, naging 11 na lang. On the current day, in the US alone, US lang Siyempre, sabi mo sa akin, may BMW, ibang country yun. Okay? Ibang country yun. Okay? Only 2 remain left. Only 2 remain left. Sige, in other perspective. Nagkaroon ng test buy, nagkaroon ng test result yung sabihin natin naman yung airplane industry. 'Di ba? Pinakita mo sa commercial, may airplane na na-discover. This is the future airplane, 'di ba? How much will you invest? Slides ko sa webinar, ina-advance ko na para sa inyo. 'Di ba? So, example car naman, airplane after 5 years backward, no? Nakita mo sa commercial, it will have commercial flights. No, ito na in the future. Magkakaroon tayong commercial flights and everything, no? Then pasok yung mga companies ngayon ng airplanes, no? So ayan, nakikita mo ngayon sa news lahat all over the place. Ito na, travel will be faster, we have cars in the future. Then ikaw may pera ka that time, magkano ilalagay mo? 'Di ba? So let's get to it. Part 2 ng report ng diyan. I'm just really excited lang, no, to educate you, even me, a lot of realization. So, in 1914, there are na-release yung first commercial flight. And then after the release of commercial flight, sabi niya, this is the future, di ba? In 1930, nagkaroon ng 400 US airline companies develop. US pa to, guys, Then, in 2008, only 22. Then, as of today, diba, it's US airline companies remained 18. Okay? And then, honestly, in this industry has lost about 60 billion over 32 years since degranulation and after the, sabi ng isang economist. 86 bankrupts in the last 40 years and The question is, guys, on these two scenarios in the what I presented with you guys. Now, in terms of future, okay, malaming ngayon, no? Like, how we uncertain na right na nag-all in ka sa isang crypto na you love? How you certain na si Tesla lang ang possible maging electric vehicle? Or si Tesla ang, honestly, sarili ang electric vehicle company. Pero nagsa-start na si BMW, nagsa-start na si Ford to make their own. But syempre, si Tesla na una. So, ikaw, if you actually saw this one, how would you now react? Would you do the same? Would you put all your eggs in just one asset and thinking this is and telling the same people that actually told who invested these companies on this 2000 companies on this 996 manufacturer would still say this is the future, this is the revolutionary, this is make the transportation very fast? Are you gonna say today this is the future currency, this is the future green energy, this is the future electric vehicle, diba? Are you gonna say the same thing, or aren't you learning from history itself? So that's why I want you to invite everyone on my talk regarding this one sa crypto webinar natin. So ang goal natin sa crypto is to discuss saan nanggaling yung crypto, and we invited expert to that, and it's gonna be free. So stay tuned to that. Ang mangyayari ng talk na it's gonna be 2 days. We're gonna talk about where did it started. Hindi ako magtuturo nyo kasi naman ako expert sa crypto. Then, ano yung mga crypto tokens na talagang possible may product, and paano ka hindi ma-fake sa mga community regarding crypto. Then what I'm gonna talk about is how to be wise. Now, how to be wise in investing in revolutionary or disruptive kind of companies or disruptive innovation. So how can you do that in terms of the right mindset, the right technicals, and the right allocation coming from history? Yung pinakamalapit na history, pwedeng technology history like internet. Yun ang pinakamalapit na pwede natin pag-usapan regarding that. So may na-realize ba kayo o ako lang? Ako lang naka-realize niyan. Okay, so ayoko na nag-discuss na tayo ng todo, no? Yan. Okay, it's 10:43. Let's have a review from the start, what happened and transpired in the market. Nagkakasunugan. But hindi nyo ba na-appreciate yun? Grabe naman. Wala naman naka-appreciate doon. Ako na lang, kausap ko na yung sarili ko. Joke lang. Okay. Tignan natin. Regarding market. So, I'm still certain the market can still wala pa talaga to si XPX. Talagang babagsak to hanggang support. Dito ako magbabenta mga Friday. So, I'm gonna hold tomorrow until Friday. So, I'm gonna focus myself sa Forex this few days, no? And then, Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Wow, galing ginawa ni Bitcoin. Sobrang galing. Oops. Yeah. Okay, buti na lang. Buti pala nagbenta ako. Yan, nahulog na siya. Yeah. Okay, last one. Hindi naman. Okay, ayoko na. Sa atin nyo na lagi yung psychology, guys. Pag there's a lot of noise happening, tuk-tuk na yan. Pag maingay na. Bitcoin is really starting to dip. I think it will still go down and or possible to mag-read. Kung magkaroon man ng green candle hanggang dito lang, ay ko lang magkaroon ng good base to. 10% lang eh. Okay. Teka lang mag good base. So dami na existing coins right now, probability wise super low chance. Yes. This is the kumbaga parang like siguro the perfect term for me is really speculation. So if you want to speculate, it's up to you, but with caution. So don't really be certain that this is it until it's not the reality, no? So until it's not the reality, don't like wag mo na ano yung wag na. But if ma-timing mo, this is the good thing about it, no? If matiming mo yan at doon ka naka-invest from the bottom, ikaw na siguro ang Diyos ng investment. Di ba? So, pag matiming mo di ba? Pag na-timing mo, galing mo talaga doon. So, congrats with that. But as long as still speculation, treat it like speculation. Di ba? Speculation pa talaga naman. Let's be true about it. Let's be logical. Yes, it's still speculation. But if the money is there, then we can go there. Kasi mas fast-moving siya. With the right tools and the right skills. Diba? So, we're not gonna base our strategy to hope. Diba? To hope. Hindi natin, the right strategy is not hope, no? So, hindi natin yung gagamitin natin doon. With the right skills. Alright, it's 10:46 already. I hope it's very, very, very good night with us. Kaya kahit na pangit yung market, kahit na yung portfolio ko magsak ng 6%, sakit. Si Ada rin, sarap, From the bottom, 51%, take profit na. Diba? Yung mga ganyan. Sarap naman ng bottom to MA 200, Pero honestly, si Ada, guys, kaya nag-bounce siya ng ganun, feeling ko. Kasi parang never naman siya nag-touch ng MA 200 before. Teka natin. Hindi pala, nag-retrade. Naglaro pala si MA 200 before. So, MA 200 yung malakas sa support niya, before. Kaya nung nag-last touch siya doon, nagba-bounce. Ingat kayo, guys. Nakakatakot. Mag-aalis muna ako ng mga crypto siguro. Liquidate. Feeling ko yan. Babagsak yan. Nakikita. Alam, best ko nakikita yan. Yung ganyang pattern. Bounce lang. Okay, thank you so much. Na-appreciate nyo, guys. So, yan. Anyway, last, before we go, yan, I'd like to invite everyone to be part of the Elite Club. If you wanted to join the Elite Club, just make an account through XM. We're having a promo, then you're gonna be part of the Elite Club for the next 2 months for free. So, see you there. All right. And also, if you want to experience a diversifications, again, there's a link there. You can make your Forex robot just like I have. We have honestly 8 slots to go for the free installation. So 8 slots na lang tayo dyan using this type of robot natin. So you want to make some money with proper strategies and the proper community, you can create under XM with we can install for free your Forex robot na yan. So I'm gonna see you guys. This one, past performance is not indicative for future results. So invest only the money that you can afford to lose. Okay, so that caps up our done. I'm down 6.53 day. Laki. But overall, I'm still up 61%. At kahit i-liquidate ko lahat to, siguro mag-end up ako 50% kung ma-liquidate lahat to. 810%. Mga around 50%. So there you go. Then if you wanna copy me, you can now copy me kasi tinututukan ko na tong isa kong account. Sobrang ingat na ako dito kasi nga napabayaan ko to ng isang buwan. Masyadong tutok sa high risk. I was down March. So right now, binawi ko nung April. Kailangan kong bawiin this May. If hindi talaga kaya, at least lessen compared to the others, no? So I'm investing in the right sector and proper allocation. Tingnan nyo. So you can copy me as well. So if you want to join the very low risk, very low risk lang to, guys, because my drawdown is only maximum 3%. So, meaning yung account ko, hindi pwedeng bumagsak yan more than 3%, no? Or 2%. So, bumagsak na today, 1.5, still manageable. Na hindi mas maganda. Okay? So, with that, guys, I'm so excited to see you on our webinar, no? So, we're gonna release that webinar. Nangyari dun sa aking, yan. Yung ating webinar natin, we're gonna release that this week. So it's gonna be free. For free lang yun, guys. I'm gonna see you there. Thank you so much. God bless and may the market be with you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles and time.